Good morning, y'all. I'm up in Yucca Valley. Nice and early, see that sunrise. Got my first delivery on the truck, already ready to go here before 7 a.m. All I got on this one is notes to deliver up a gravel driveway and deliver next to the work site. So I guess we'll figure it out once we get up the hill here. So I got three pallets of sandbags. So there's two driveways right next to each other. I don't know. They say go up the gravel driveway. So that would be this one. They deliver next to a work site. So there's a pallet on my left over there. Doesn't look like a work site. Oh, there's a bunch of sandbags on the ground over here. I thought this was snow. Well, this is interesting. I don't know what they're doing here. I've never seen a bunch of sandbags laid out like this. Okay, well. This would appear to be the work site, delivering sandbags, and there's a bunch of sandbags here and some empty pallets from the work done already, so. It's an unattended drop too, so. If nobody comes out here, I'm just gonna plop them down and go. I got a busy day. I've been down the hill. I haven't been filming much lately. It's been pretty bad weather. And I use my phone to film with, so I don't want my phone getting wet, so I haven't had many opportunities to make any videos. And I really haven't had anything special going on lately, just trying to get stuff done. We're getting behind with the weather. People are canceling orders. Nobody wants to work in the rain. And then out here in the desert, these dirt roads, this one's really nice. But these roads are getting really bad out here with the washout. So far, I only got one more delivery up here in Yucca today. Then I get to go back down toward the lower desert where I'm only on asphalt and concrete for the most part. That's a really nice sunrise though there. That's what it looks like up at Yucca Joshua Tree area in the morning. Nice big boulders and nice scenery. Alright, one more. As fast as I can go backwards down the hill without sliding. Just gotta hurry up and get this last one off the truck. I'm leaving my, I don't know if you noticed, I've been leaving my straps laid out across the truck after my deliveries. I'm trying to get them all dried out. For you new guys, if you got wet straps, and it's drying up on you, just leave them across the truck and strap them down, and at least the first first 4 to 6 feet they get dry as you drive. chilly up here. You don't want your hands getting wet as little as possible. I try to wear the gloves with the rubber on them, try to prevent the wetness. All right, well there we go. Unattended drop. It says drop up the gravel driveway next to the job site. So there it is. I'll finish you off with the sunrise there in Yucca Valley. So hope everybody's having a good day, good morning, and give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe if you're new, and that's it from the morning in Yucca Valley. Have a good day.